Imagine a world where every detail matters, where every line and every curve contributes to the creation of a perfect work. In this world, the tool that transforms dreams into reality must be exceptional. Today, I present to you a revolutionary tool in the field of woodworking and DIY. The STANEW 1200W electric vertical router, a professional milling machine that changes the game. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This router is ideal for passionate DIY enthusiasts and woodworking professionals looking to perform precision work with comfort and efficiency. Perfect for those who value quality, versatility, and durability in their woodworking tools. At the heart of this tool, a powerful pure copper motor ensures stable performance and a working power of 1200 watts. Imagine the possibility of carving wood with unmatched precision at speeds ranging from 16,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. This exceptional capability is not a luxury, but a necessity for those looking to take their project to the next level. The 230-volt power supply ensures that no matter where you are, power will never be an issue. Control is essential in the art of woodworking. That is why this router features 6 adjustable speeds, allowing for perfect adaptation of the tool's speed to the material being worked on. Whether you are working on soft or hard wood, the electronic speed control maintains unwavering consistency, ensuring each cut is made with precision and finesse. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The handling of this tool has been designed to be intuitive. The soft grips that absorb shocks not only provide unmatched comfort, but also ensure remarkable durability. The spindle lock simplifies the bit change without requiring additional tools. And the transparent dust screen panel ensures a clean job without any traces of dust. The usefulness of this router does not stop there. It finds its place in a multitude of applications, from beveling to creating grooves, as well as surface treatment and even planing the edges of wood. It is the perfect tool for any woodworking craftsman and even for DIY enthusiasts looking to carry out precision work. The package included with this router is simply impressive. In addition to the machine itself, you receive a parallel guide, 12 high-quality clamps, 2 carbon brushes, a dust collection tube, a clamp adapter for diameters ranging from 6 to 8 millimeters, and much more. It is the perfect gift for any passionate DIY enthusiast or professional looking to expand their arsenal of tools. Innovative features such as one-handed start, a heat dissipation part to prevent overheating, and a self-locking key for easy control of plunge depth, along with 6 adjustable speeds, make this tool not only powerful but also extremely versatile and easy to use for any type of project. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The maximum plunge capacity of 50 mm and the micro-adjustable fence provide additional advantages that place this router in a category of its own. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a passionate amateur, this tool opens the doors to a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to transform any piece of wood into a work of art. Equipped with a soft start motor to minimize movement at startup, this router is not only powerful but also designed for safe use. It is rated for commercial use, making it ideal for countertop mounting, rendering each project not only possible but also enjoyable. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its drawbacks. Advantage number 1, increased versatility thanks to its 6 adjustable speeds, allowing for optimal adaptation to different types of materials. Advantage number 2, ease of use and maintenance, particularly thanks to the tool-free bit change system and the ergonomic soft grip handle. Advantage number 3, simplified cleaning with the dust-proof screen panel and the type of dust collection for a cleaner working environment. Advantage 4, improved durability and reliability through a thermal dissipation design that prevents overheating even during prolonged use. Advantage number 5, the complete package offers a wide range of accessories to immediately start any project without additional purchases. Now let's move on to some drawbacks. The number 1 drawback is that it requires a power source, which limits the user's mobility to the length of the cable or the availability of an electrical outlet. In summary, the STANEW 1200W electric vertical router is not just a tool, it is the companion for every project, ensuring that each cut will be precise and every detail perfect if you are ready to bring your ideas to life with unmatched precision and quality. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, learn more, and discover the hundreds of customer reviews that attest to its excellence. Don't miss this opportunity to transform the way you work with wood. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.